Hello guys, so today we'll be talking on building a very good online banking system. Before I proceed, this video is solely for educational purposes. So today we'll be building a very good online banking system. Has all the codes you need in an online banking system project, as functionalities in a banking system. So the very first thing we're going to be doing is going straight into building, so that we see what we're talking about. Very good. So we'll go to our file manager. If you want to see a preview of it, I can include a preview right now. Panel. If you don't know how to get that, you can refer to my other videos, or you see the link in the description of this video. Now I'll be telling you how to get a hold of this file that we are going to be using right now. But very first thing, we have to upload. Second, we have to connect our SQL, and after that we do our editings. So I'm looking for this. Come here and we'll upload. So while we are uploading this, we can go and set up our SQL. So we'll come here. We'll come to my SQL database wizard. Click on database wizard. So let's call it all demo bank, and we say db all demo bank. Let's call it, so let's bk db. Then we'll also come here, we copy this, then click on next step. We'll copy whatsoever we have written inside the input box. We'll click on next step. Whatsoever we copied in, whatsoever we just like typed inside that input box, that's what we copy. Then we'll click on next step. Then we'll also paste that same thing back. We'll come here, we paste this as password. We'll also paste this as password again. Okay, so we'll come here, click all privileges and next step. Then let's check on our upload. Okay, our upload is done. Now let's go to our file manager, then we load this. So we'll come here, then we'll unzip our file and extract. Like I always say, these words are as simple as they sound. This is a zip file. You just do is unzip it. And also, when you're using most of the script, always remember to turn on show hidden file. Then we'll click on save. Then we'll get our SQL file from here. Our SQL file is here. Click on download. We'll come to PHP admin. Let's look for the database we just created right now. Okay, that's it. So click on import. So we're trying to import the SQL we just downloaded. So it should be in our file manager in the downloads. Go to downloads. Now click on database. Import. Okay, while we wait for that to load up, we can go to our file manager and try and connect our database. So what we'll do now is to come to let's go into our include, then we'll come to our config. Let's do this, edit. Let's edit this. Yeah, our database is done uploading, so it's been imported. So let's configure this website. So remember what we just did with our database. What we did, creating a database like that means we made the password, the username and everything the same. So we'll click on save, but we still have to do some other things here. So what we do next is to come to let's get our link here. So we'll get our link. Let's say this, copy it, copy link address, go back to config, this whole place. Very good. Let's come here and also change this. I have to change your email. I'll change the phone numbers. You can change them for me. When you change the emails and change the phone numbers, you can change them for me. It takes effect on your website. So come here. Let's change this to info at. You can also change the name here. You can change it to whatever you want to name your platform or your project. So come here. Let's set up our email too. So do the setup once. Let's come to SMTP and edit. Okay. So we'll come to our, this one has to take us to our email. I have an email created here already. You can just do your own creation. So I'll click on email accounts, or for the purpose of this video I'll create another email for the purpose of this video. So let's go to, okay, I already have, let's see, no reply one, no reply support. Let's just put for the sake of this. Then we click on it, let's make this the password. Save, create. So we'll copy this as the password. So we'll come to our smtp.php. We'll come here and we'll put the password, fill in all of those things. Yeah, so let's say this is password. Okay. For the host to put the link. Let's go and copy our email, whatever the email name is. So we'll come here, we see no reply support. So just follow me. Okay. So when you're done, you can go through the codes to check. When you're done, you can go through the codes. When you're done, you can go through the codes to check whatsoever is missing. So what we just did right now is that we did for the host, we added the link, the username is your email, the password is the password of the email just created, the SMTP secure is in SSL, and that's this SSL follows this number. Well, when you set it to SSL, it is 465. When you set it to TLS, it is 587. So this TLS is commented right now, so it doesn't take effect. 587 is also commented right now, so it doesn't take effect. So we'll go to where it is it sent from. That's the sent from. Sent from no reply. also add reply to. You also put your email. So this place you can change. Let's call this all demo bank. Let's see. Very good. So we'll come and say save changes. So we can also come here, change whatsoever I have to change here in the settings table in the SQL. Change emails, change, you can open this, change the name of the bank, change the name of the bank, change the emails, and so on and so forth. Very good. Now that we're done with that, you can change all of these things here, the name of the bank, the email, and whatsoever that has to align with what you are doing. You can change it here. So when you are done, just click on go. That changes, all those changes are made. So immediately we are done with that. I think we are done with the setup of this bank right now, apart from the editing of the front end. So we can come here and check on what we have just done. Then we can go into the dashboard, try and make transfers and see what's up, how we can, what we have done here. So this is it basically. So we can fetch again. Not really important, it's just a thing I do. We'll come to banking. Very good. So is either we choose to register from here, or we go to our admin to register. Or for the sake of learning, let's go to our admin so that we can get our admin link also. We know how to access our admin on this bank. So we'll come here. This is the admin link. Your site name.com/admin. It takes you to the login at PHP. Then where to get your admin details, you go to admin. You copy here. Now, as you can see, this password is encrypted. So this password doesn't make sense. So it's encrypted. Most times that's the like 90% of the time that's what has happened. So you come here, you click. The default password is 126. Very good. So we'll come here. Let's say we want to create an account. Let's create an account. Or users, or let's create an account. So save this. We'll come. Savings. Put anything on this ones. Let's just put some numbers. Let's put this as a picture. So put this. So 1 is the transfer code for everything. Say gender. Say male. Say code. Okay, put 0. So it's also a very good thing. It's also a very good. So this is on hold right now. We click on active and change status. Most importantly, let's check our Gmail. Let's see if we got a mail. Basically, we got 2 mails. This is one of the mails. On the other slide, this is another one. As you can see, 1 minute ago. The other one is also 0 minutes ago. So these are the 2 mails that we have gotten right now. And so that means our SMTP config was very, very correct and it's working very good. So we have to carry on. Right now we'll go to users. Right now we have to log into the front, so come here. Click on banking. So click on, let's check for our user ID. Maybe this is it. So come here and click, then okay. So I think we save this as 111. Sign into the account. Very good. So let's go to our dashboard. I thought we put some amount here. Let's go to our dashboard. Let's put something in balance. Then update profile. Yeah, so let's reload this. Very good. So this is how our dashboard looks right now. There's transaction history, there's wire transfer, domestic transfer, there is digital funds. I think digital funds should be that's Bitcoin deposit and so on and so forth. Yeah, so here you go. We have our beautiful dashboard. To get this script, to get this the template we just used, you can get the file link you can get the file link in the description of this video. You can also send me direct message on WhatsApp to get it. Thank you very much. Please do like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much.